Hello my lovely friends. Let's eat the dough and meat buns. Fatty and lean meat buns. The skin is still very crispy. A little bit of green pepper is added to the meat to enhance the flavor. It's too yummy. Look at this. Meat is overloaded in bun. Bun is so crispy. And the green pepper is enhancing the flavor. Meat bun with lemonade. Two mixed fried noodles. It's too much hot and sticky. I especially like the version with lots of sesame sauce. It's too yummy. I like it. Have it, my babies. Please have it. The sesame sauce is enhancing the flavor. It is cold beef tendon noodles. The noodles are sour, sweet and spicy and the texture is chewy. They absorb the flavors very well and it feels like the sauce has melted into them. Texture is very chewy and it's absorbed all flavor very well. I will finish all. Hey guys, look at this, looking very yummy. This cold noodles original sesame sauce flavor. It's cool, especially the gluten inside is full of soup. Cold noodles, lots of veggies. Veggies are very important for us, you know. The sesame sauce flavor is really yummy. Hey guys, have you try this. It's really delicious. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much, guys.